So welcome back, guys, and we are back with another cryptocurrency that has been booming recently, and we'll be talking about DECHAT in this video. So basically, this new cryptocurrency has been absolutely breaking the charts. Even at the current price, it's at around 110% at the time of recording this video, up in the past 24 hours, and it has seen even a way higher numbers in the past 24 hours, and even in the 7 day is more crazier. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what other videos you guys want me to create, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video, and let's head over to our screen. So basically, if we go back to our overview or the homepage of coinmarket.com, we can see DChat currently trending on the second place after Pepe and Floki, basically these two meme coins. This seems to be the only non-meme coin, and it is absolutely crazy right now. If we take a look at DChat right now, currently trading at around $4.76, and even at the current price, up around 110% from the past 24 hours. So as you can see, it is nowhere near the highest point that it hit today. Its highest point today was, if we look at it was at around $8.74. Now it has come half of what that was. So just a couple hours ago, it was absolutely crazy, even more than 300%. I would believe that it was up from its starting, more than 300%. And if we take a look at our starting point for today, it was at around $2.23, and throughout the day it has continued to climb, and while climbing, it hit the highest of around $8.74, I believe, and now it has had its downfall, and has come back down to $4.75, and now it is starting to settle down a bit after the crazy up rally that it had, and it moved more than 300% in the past 24 hours. Now it has come back down to 100, but still seeing crazy numbers. If we look at the 7-day chart, up around 150%, even at the current number that is up by 150%, is not, absolutely not a small number for such a cryptocurrency to see absolutely blazing it at the charts. As you can see, in the starting of the week, it wasn't looking very good because it was very flat. As you can see, just a couple of cents movement here and there, but in these cryptocurrency, a couple cents matter a lot. And if we look at what's been going on with basically these things, we can see that it has been moving pretty flat throughout the week, and just on the 10th, was basically yesterday, is when it started to gain traction. As you can see, we had this quick bump right here in just a couple minutes on the 10th, in the basically the afternoon and evening, and now after that it had started to gain traction and continue to move up and up until it got to a crazy point of around more than 300%, I would predict. So it was up more than 300%, absolutely crazy, and it was even higher because we're looking at the 1 week chart now. It was probably more than 350% or something like that, in that range, in the past 7 days. And if we look at the month, almost the same thing. It was basically pretty flat for a long time, and it has just now started to gain traction and basically attention from the community, and now it just hit absolutely new highs. Even if we look at these numbers right here, the market cap is at around 153% from yesterday, up, and if we, it's at around $16 million. And if we look at the volume, it is currently at around 30.3 million, up about a absolutely crazy 872% from the past 24 hours. So when you see more volume than the market cap, you can automatically tell that this is a hype coin. This will later on get slow down and not continue to see more movement like it just did. But as we can tell, that this is still up from the past times, and it is still seeing some crazy movement even at this time of recording this video. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about DECHAT is a new coin which has been booming recently and has been crazy new numbers, more than 300%. And we just took a basic overview of the charts, what they have been looking like. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily crypto live stream I do on this channel, talking about daily crypto updates, basically what's happening with these new cryptocurrencies, and basically any new crypto updates I talk about on that live stream. So do make sure to tune in daily. And also I do more long form content like this, talking about any new pumping cryptocurrency like this one. So do make sure to check out those videos to grab your opportunities to jump into these new trades. And if you did enjoy this video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what other type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.